Hey Lee, this is a live look from Eagle 8 HD over that scene of the deadly crash where I-275 southbound was shut down all morning long. It has reopened recently, I should say. Paul Lamison, what you got for us? What's it look like out there?
Hey Beth, good news. This is where the accident was. Here's where it was closed off. And look at that, those cars are moving right through. Now if I move the camera over and show you the place that it was backed up bumper to bumper, look at the traffic now. It's flowing good. So if you're on your way to work now, you can't use the excuse too much traffic. The traffic is moving nicely. Look, I'll zoom way up north, up by Waters and beyond, and the traffic is flowing nicely. So the accident had everything messed up earlier, but right now it's good. So Beth, I'll throw it back to you for any other traffic updates.
And Paul, that's right. If people are heading out the door right now, they have no excuse to be late because things are clearing up so quickly on I-275 southbound. You can see right here, not even any delays. The only area where we are seeing delays around the Bay Area is that typical trouble area, I-4 and I-275 headed westbound into downtown. Take a look at these drive times for I-4. Your issue is going to be from I-75 to downtown, and that will only take you around 11 minutes. Going to send it over to you, Avery.